Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is basically going to be about how we did the 11th edition of Detour Maharashtra, which went to Tala.
बहुत सही था। सीढ़ी का एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट रहता है, उसको ऐसे जाके ले जाओ यहाँ से वापस अकेला ना आ सके। चढ़ बोले तो खान भरा हो जाके।
And also this vlog is a small tribute to my Leo, who is no more along with us, and we had to, he left us amidst the entire ride planning and entire execution of the ride was going on, and that is when he left us. So in this video I'll be sharing my entire experience, how we went through, how I went through the entire experience of doing the 11th edition of Detour Maharashtra, and simultaneously I was losing one of my best buddies, a very special person. So you will realize that these rides we are doing with 100% dedication, and there is 100% commitment towards the planning. So we are not just doing it for fun sake, but we are actually trying to build an extremely reliable community of riders for all the motorcycle enthusiasts out there. So please check out the video. The story is very much interesting. I'm sure you will love the experience. Back in the year 2008, when I was in 8th standard, we brought him into our family, and since then he has been with us for almost 12 years. You can say that we both grew up together, and since then we both have been sharing a bed.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I always wished and I always wanted you to be there in all my highs and lows of my life, but soon I realized that that is not possible, because these angels come into our life for a very short time and they teach us how to love, and then they say goodbye. So yeah, this is the harsh reality, but it has been a great time having him in my life. The 11th edition of Detour Maharashtra, which was on the date of which was on 11th and 12th of January. Basically, this was the second Saturday of January 2020, and it was exactly the ride week. Okay, 11th and 12th was the Saturday Sunday, and just 3 days before that, 3 days before 11th, that is 8th of January, Leo fell ill. Basically, he got a high fever. He couldn't stand up, and he had almost lost his entire energy. So we called in for a doctor, and within 24 hours, within a day's time, we got to know that he has gone into acute kidney failure. So that really broke my heart. I was in tears. This was Thursday. Wednesday we got called for the doctor. Thursday we got to know, but we as his parents, me, mom, dad, we still expected him to be fine. I was also very much confident. I was like, he'll be fine by tomorrow, and then I'll go for my ride. But it didn't happen like that. I remember Friday night, just few hours before the ride, I had to leave, and Friday he was still in the same condition. He couldn't get up, he was breathless, and I am completely lost. I am in between taking decisions. Should I go or should I not go? I was not able to understand anything. I was not able to take a decision. I called in for my friends, Varun, Meet, and Preeti Bai. Late at night, 12:30, they came by to my house. They saw Leo, and they tried to push me. They tried to give me the confidence. Don't worry, he will be there. You go for the ride. You chal hum log ke saath. He'll be there. He'll be there back. I'm damn sure. So they kind of gave me that trust that Leo will be back. Like, he will still be there till the time I'm back from the ride. And that was all I was hoping for. Cause all I wanted was to be with him, even on the last day before he's going. With a very heavy heart, I took a nap of 1 hour or 2 hours, and I started preparing for the ride. 4 o'clock, 4:30, I was out of the house, My cousin Girish was here in town. He also helped me for the ride, and it was a very difficult situation. And at the end, I had to go. I had to go for the ride. So why couldn't I just take back everything and stop the ride? No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work out like that. I could have also sent my team. कि भाई तुम लोग लेके जाओ, I'm not coming. So for me, it doesn't work like that. One major reason is riders, as important as Leo is to me and will always be, equally important are each and every rider who come for Detour. And not only their importance, but the major thing that is very utmost important to me is their safety. I prefer seeing my riders safe with my own eyes than any other person telling me that हाँ सब लोग safe है. नहीं, I wouldn't believe that. I want to see my riders safe. For example, if there is an accident, okay, I want to be there to help the rider out. I want to be there. I want to visualize. I want to see everything with my eyes. And trust me, motorcycle touring is highly unpredictable. And as being the leads of the tour, I and Varun, we prefer being there on ground, so we exactly know what the situation is. Frankly speaking, I can't leave the safety of my riders in someone else's hand. Third other reason is that commitment towards riders. The entire plan was set and everyone's money had come in.
Are you all my personal
I didn't want to disappoint any rider. Like they have blocked their weekends, they have stopped other commitments, and they are committed to this trip. So yeah, there is some sense of commitment towards riders which I and my team cannot break at any point of time. Fourth major reason, this is one of the most important reasons. If you guys have seen my last vlog number 3, exploration ride to Tala, I went all by myself. I was solo, and all the route, what the deal is with the hotel guys, the breakfast point, lunch point, only I knew it. And till Friday night, only I knew it. Like my friends, my team came in to meet me at 12:30 in the night, and वो टाइम काफ़ी नहीं था कि मैं सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन, रोड इन्फॉर्मेशन उनसे शेयर करूँ. That wouldn't be possible at all. There was no way anyone could have taken them by the route which I had explored. As I said, till Friday, we as parents of Leo, we all thought he'll be fine. We never thought that he's going to leave us so early. So the ride went fantastic. As I said, I had already seen the road. I was confident about the entire road because the roads were easy, smooth, entertaining roads. So I was very sure that riders will have a good time riding. They won't regret riding on the road which I had planned out. The ride went very smoothly, and by 1:30, 2 o'clock, we reached our destination, Walmart Parks. As we reached there at 2 o'clock, all the riders got into the pool. Everyone started enjoying. I tried calling my dad. I got some time alone. I called him to check up on how Leo was, how he was hanging on. The very first time, my dad was completely lost. The moment I asked him how is he, my dad was, he's still the same. I don't know what to do. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूँ. I've done everything I could, but अभी मुझे समझ रहा नहीं है क्या करूँ. Leo has been like a son to me. My mom, dad, we've taken care of him like a son. So that particular day, I was completely heartbroken when my dad spoke to me in that way. Mom, dad were actually very much worried. They didn't want me to go not because they wanted me to be with Leo, but they didn't want me to go because I had to ride. I was on the motorcycle. I had to take care. So they were very equally worried for me, equally worried for my safety. that was one moment where I didn't know what to say to dad, and I was like, okay, fine, just take care, and I disconnected the call. Got back to riders. Here, Varun, my friend, who has been, we became friends in the year 2008, exactly the time when Leo came into our family. So Varun really understands how important Leo was to us, because since Varun knows me, he has always seen me with Leo. This was the first time he was going to see me without Leo, so he could understand my pain. In the afternoon time when everyone were in the pool, he got a minute with me. He took me to the side and he made me understand few things. He made me realize that it was time for him to go. Don't expect too much from him. He has lived his life. He has served you guys, and don't forget all the memories you have had with Leo. And I was very much convinced with what Varun explained to me. Made me realize of all the moments, all the memories I have created with Leo, and just be grateful for it. Let him just leave him on his own. That's what he suggested me, and I was very much convinced after that. And after that talk with Varun, I tried to hold myself together. My mind, my heart, I held them together, and I just forgot about it for some time, and I tried to completely engage myself with all the riders. So all the riders enjoyed by the poolside. I tried my best to be engaged 100% with everyone. I would like to thank each and every rider, starting from Harish More, Ajay Muglekar, Suyog Kulkarni, Surendra Kukreja, Milind Patil, Jitin Thakkar, DJ Shaggy, Meet Shah, Preeti Bai, Agilin, Chinmay Zombade, Samir Zadav, Viru More, Ashish Ranbor. Thank you so much, guys, man. Suyash Kulkarni, Suyash Telkar, Chinmay Date, a whole bunch of you guys, man. You guys were fantastic. I got a lot of motivation from you guys. You guys were super supportive.
This is Amcha JD from Amcha Mumbai. Give it up for JD, guys. Hi guys. So right now it's 9:30 and I just got down in the pool with my friends. Good time. So we're having a great time and the rest of the gang is there.
Thank you so much for being there and making that Saturday, Sunday go fast and making the entire ride easy for me to cope up with, and everything went very smoothly. The night was fantastic. Riders had a great time. The night went on. We guys slept at around 12 o'clock, and next day morning I spent some time walking around Waldmont Farm with few riders.
You are my personal dreams.
By 11 o'clock, we were ready to go back home, and at that point of time, all I could think was of getting back home as soon as possible.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Again, all the riders were fantastic. Everyone was a great rider. We got back home very smoothly. We stopped at this place called Hotel Sudhagad Vaibhav. Everything went very smoothly. By 4:30, I was back to Mumbai. We reached Panvel by 4:30, and by 5:30 p.m. I was back home, and I was back home to see Leo was still there. He was still hanging on, and from Sunday evening to Monday entire day, I got to spend one full day with him. And Tuesday early morning 5:30 he left us.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The first time in my life, someone I love has left me. happy and grateful that I got to spend one entire day with him. I believe that he's in a better place and I will always miss him. No other pet can replace his place. And yeah, that was about the 11th edition of Detour Maharashtra. It was turned out to be one of the most toughest ride for me. We understand each and every rider, we care for each and every rider's safety, and we do this entire process of planning rides and executing them with 100% dedication and responsibility. I, Varun, and the team of Detour have done many sacrifices to make all this happen. We have given our precious time, and I would end by saying that planning a motorcycle ride and executing them, motorcycle tours, is not a joke. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching my vlogs and stay home, stay safe. Once the lockdown is over, we'll have some amazing rides coming up for you, and stay tuned for upcoming vlogs as well. Thank you so much for this vlog. I hope you liked the vlog, and please comment down in the section below what do you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.